Chevre, I brought my two good friends, the Schwartz brothers from Seagate, to eat out tonight at Yakar. The reason I am here in Yakar tonight is because there's something next level that no restaurant has ever done. Let's go, Chevre. Hello.
Welcome to Yakar. How are you?
Welcome, good. Chaim Perlowitz, I made a reservation.
Yes, actually, your two friends are already here.
My friends are here already.
They're ready?
Oh, the Schwartz boys are here already, Chevre. Schwartz Chevre is in the show, do.
They're right over here.
Oh, the boys are here. The boys are in town tonight. You guys already started eating before me, huh?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right. I started off outside. The reason I brought you guys out to Yakar tonight, there's something that the audience has to stay till the end of the video to watch. No restaurant ever did this. This is something that's going to blow every viewer's mind what Yakar is pulling off here tonight.
We have to wait also to the end of the video?
You have to wait as well. The Schwartz brothers, finally. Ich bete schon so long. We gotta go out.
Yep.
We're here at Yakar tonight. Chevre, join us. Check into the menu. I want you guys to order tonight al habayis. Now, we're paying for this. It's not a freebie.
Okay.
But I'll tell you soon. You're gonna find out the surprise, the Yakar surprise. It's next level surprise. It's paying for this, but you're gonna find out something special at the end of the video. All right. Wow.
Here we go, gentlemen. We have the crispy beef and the barbecue beef ribs, and you have more coming right now.
There's more coming, he says. Chaim, you're paying for all this? Oh, there's
Here
more.
we go. There's always
gosh.
more. We have the beef carpaccio and the lamb riblets.
Whoa, this stuff
Enjoy.
looks
Good question, Matche. We'll find out at the end. I didn't bring you guys out here for nothing.
If you are, I'm in the wrong business.
You guys are not in the wrong business, but again, like I said, you'll find out at the end of the video who's paying for this. I'm not saying it's you, I'm not saying it's me. Like I said, order all you want tonight. Tonight is your night, Chevre.
Okay.
Well, let me show you the dishes over here. Yakar's famous. Wow, look at those ribs, short ribs. Mandy, where's the light?
So point the camera at the ribs again. So as you can see, it's shiny over here. And then see, on a professional film shoot, you're not supposed to see the light, so make sure you don't get it in the shot. And here this looks like bread, but really it's carpaccio.
Delicious.
Oh, the thing on bottom is the meat.
Wow.
Oh wow, I never saw such good carpaccio over here. This is lamb, by the way. So that's going to be good.
Wow. And Seagate, you don't have this, guys.
No, that's the one thing we don't have is a restaurant.
The one thing you don't have, a lot of other stuff also, but the one thing you don't have.
No, that's the one thing.
The one
we
thing
also
you
don't
don't
have a milk store.
A milk store, not
Yeah.
The Wuzuk stuff there. I see you guys polish the plates over
Chaim,
there.
you did a good job polishing the plates.
Yeah, we didn't have any.
All right, Chevre, how was the appetizers?
Amazing.
Top
amazing.
notch. Epic stuff.
You guys polished it clean.
Chaim, you helped us.
Shut. I didn't ask for that. Lean back, Matche. Lean back, Mandy.
Lean back.
You guys looking at you two. You look like you've been around the corner.
I have a lot of room with Hashem.
You tasted food around
Chaim,
there.
as long as we can get around the corner.
As long as you get around the corner. What's your take on the ambience here? Just a certain vibe, no?
It's very nice, yeah.
It's a shiny, gross location, no? It's just like,
it's very
I don't
nice.
want to show
Music.
people, but just like quickly go around. You have a nice bar over here. Okay, Kevin, now ready for the mains. What do you guys want for the main?
Chaim, since you're paying, we decided to go ahead and order another
Call this-
appetizer.
No way. You ordered.
We have the tropical
And
chicken
then we're gonna take more drinks too.
Done? Should I refill my drink?
Yeah, right now. Finish that.
Time you
and
pay,
another
yeah?
one.
As soon as you're ready.
Dude. They think I'm paying for this.
Oh, you have?
I don't know what, but
I think you'll do the right thing.
we're gonna have to. I heard this is a surprise tonight, but we're gonna have to figure this out, guys.
The surprise is that he's paying.
So you guys just ordered this behind my back?
Oh, yeah, no, it's for you also, so it's not considered behind your back. If you also get from it,
Let's go round 2 of appetizers.
starts now.
Chaim Perlowitz's credit card.
Yeah, you ask him. Okay, Kevin, what do you guys order for the main?
So we ordered. They don't want to spend too
flesh.
much. They don't put you out of business, Chaim. You know, we still like that you can afford.
No reason to pan that way with the
we
camera,
got-
Chaim.
we got
Some flies, dude.
By the time we got the still water, we didn't want to
got
get
the-
the sparkling because that costs more, so we got the still water. Everything has a tafkid. No matter things you wonder what the purpose is always, you know.
I love the way you put it over there. There's a tafkid to everything, even for that little bush on the side. I will tell the tafkid, but look at that steak. Look at that. Look at that steak.
Wait, the lighting's.
Oh, the lighting.
No.
Ooh, now it looks good.
Wow. Wow. Okay, but today's steak, dude. The streaming also has a tafkid, no?
Of course.
Yes. The steak, then we have the boiga over here.
I mean, we didn't figure out the tafkid of the string beans yet, but
we'll figure it
we're
out
gonna-
one day.
That's why we ordered it. We wanted to see.
Ooh,
They don't stop it. They don't stop it, Yakar. The challenge is who's paying for this. But we'll figure that out. We'll figure that out. I said, guys, wait till the end. Maybe yeah, maybe no.
Oh, we got a hint. Maybe yeah, maybe no. As long as it's not maybe you, maybe me. That's all I'll
Maybe yeah, maybe no. That's all I'll say.
say. Okay, Chaim. We have a beautiful burger over here.
And it. How would Trump describe this burger right here?
Oh no, there's so many people who do Trump impressions. I'm gonna just add myself to the list. It's a beautiful burger. Okay, that's about it.
How would J.D. Vance describe the burger?
That's you, Mendy, already.
No, I don't
You
know.
love JD Vance, man, you know?
My
You're a big JD Vance fan.
I like the memes very much. He's a good guy. I like Marco Rubio better.
Yeah, Mendy, let's ask Andre. Andre.
Yes, gentlemen. Talk to me.
Chaim doesn't want to tell us. Well, maybe you'll tell us.
Okay.
He ordered so much food over here.
Yeah.
We ordered some also.
Uh-huh.
Who's paying?
It's a secret. You have to wait till the end to see. But tell me, how was everything? How was
Okay,
everything?
I just-
How was
Everything's
everything?
amazing. That's
Nice.
like out of the question.
Nice,
But I just
nice.
need to know who's paying. You know?
I can't tell
He
you.
doesn't
It's
want
a
to tell us
secret, a
either.
top secret. You know.
Okay, we're gonna have to find somebody else to tell us.
Okay. No one's gonna tell you.
You get dessert already, or
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
If Chaim's paying.
Chaim's paying? We'll get one of each.
So, okay, done. Here we go, gentlemen. We have New York's best tiramisu.
Oh, New York City or New York State?
New York State.
Oh, New York State. Okay.
Now I'm very excited.
I'll take this.
How do you?
We also have the chocolate souffle,
Oh, wow.
So okay, who's paying for this again?
the creme brulee. That's it. You still have to wait till the end to see. Yes, and we have the mini donuts.
Chaim, you're getting all the designs
This
over
is
here?
an-
Check it out. Look at all this. Look at all this. Look at over there.
If you look closer,
Look at that one.
That says Mendy. Look at
That's
that.
Mendy's signature.
yeah.
Here, by the way, if you look here, look closely, it says
A
me.
little known
wow.
fact, there's 4 L's in Mendy.
Yeah.
There you go, gentlemen. Indulge and enjoy.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Wow.
Musical notes. How do alles? Nu was ook stuff there, Mendy. How was it?
So we're about to taste it. I just need to take a quick video for my status.
Hey, Mendy.
Yeah.
It's only by my status tonight.
No, charity starts at home.
No, you can. I'll open up resharing special for you, Chaim.
It's in there,
Chaim's
no?
status, Lamar says, it's like
Put one in for me.
very dynamic.
Yeah, it's because he goes around and he talks to people you don't normally see in daily life. You know, he goes to
Here you go,
Mr.
gentlemen.
Landau.
Here's the bill.
Oh, no.
No, this is.
It's for Chaim.
this
Give
is
it-
for Chaim.
Ah, okay.
This
So
is-
I'll hand it to you.
Yeah.
Chaim, it's all you.
It's all me.
Yes, sir.
It's all me. Kevin, 1 minute. Wait a minute. Let me just take a peek. I'll turn it around. Andres,
Yes, sir.
didn't I start off that I'm coming special to Yakar because you guys have a big surprise coming?
Yes, you wouldn't believe it. Here's the surprise. Now, starting tonight, only at your car, any table that dines has the opportunity to eat for free.
Whoa, now Mendy and Matri, you thought I came in for nothing, huh? Maybe, yeah?
Finally, someone's telling us.
Maybe
Yes.
no. It's for everybody, every table.
Yes, this is for every table. So, what I have in my pocket is a die. So, all you have to do is roll the dice. You have your car, and instead of your car, you have your one. And if you roll the die and it falls on your one, you dine for free at Yakar Steakhouse.
Whatever size bill you have.
Any size bill, any size table. Oh yes,
Wow.
yes, it's an amazing opportunity.
Kevin, that's why I told you to
come
order
back
all you
tomorrow.
want tonight because we might get you one. But if you don't get you one, I'm out of here. You guys are paying the bill.
So let's see who's going to be the lucky person to roll the die and see if you're going to be dining for free tonight at Yakar
man, you wanna go for it?
Steakhouse.
I'm gonna handle the pressure.
I'll
Yes,
do it.
sir.
Andres,
I know it's exciting, it's exciting.
Do you only get to turn the die after the meal? Once you get the bill, or can you turn the die before you start the meal?
After the meal, it's after the meal, after you get the bill.
After you get the
After
bill,
you get the bill,
spin?
yes, sir.
All right.
Okay, who's gonna be the lucky
Me or
person?
you?
Do it.
And you gotta give it a,
Where's
you
the
gotta
sign
give
that
it a,
says Chaim Perlowitz pays for your meal?
No.
gotta give it a good shake and a good throw.
Laat me zien, Gevre. Yakar. You won.
You
Okay.
won, yes.
Yeah, won.
Is there a coin here who could bench the die real quick? Fine, ready?
Let's do it.
Right.
1,
Read the lighting over it.
Shake and then throw.
And if it falls off the board, you redo? It's like
Well,
the
it's not
whole
gonna
board?
fall off the board because you have borders around it. Yeah,
Ready?
See,
absolutely.
no way around it, Randy.
Wait, wait.
Mandy, hold up.
What?
Don't look. Don't look yet. Don't look.
Okay.
We made a deal before. If
Yeah.
it's ya one, it's on me.
Right.
If it's not ya one, it's on you guys.
If it's your one, it's on your car, not on you.
All right, now Mendy,
Yeah.
slowly take away your hand.
You ready?
But we made a deal. Andrews,
Yes.
if it's on your one, it's on me. If not,
Yeah.
I'm out of here, guys. Ready, stand
Wait,
up.
let me.
Let's see what's
Where's
gonna
my
happen.
coat?
Wait, if it says your car means I want a car?
If it says if it says your card, that means you take care of the bill. If it says your
man.
one, then we take care of the bill.
Okay,
for
ready?
you.
I can't deal with the
3,
suspense anymore.
2, 1. What does it say?
Whoa!
Let's go!
Let's go. Okay, that was
Wow.
good. Chaim, you got away. Yeah.
Good. Wow. Amazing.
Nice.
Isn't that
That's the
amazing?
first. That's
Great
the first.
rolling.
That's the
Okay,
first.
great
So,
rolling.
That's
now
the
we'll
first.
order one of each again, just to, we'll take it to go.
That's the first.
Yeah.
Amazing.
This
And
is an
yeah.
idea. Who came up with this idea?
Oh, that's the thing. We have a
This is
creative,
Yakar.
We have creative management, creative owners, and a creative marketing team. They do amazing. And there's a lot more to come. This
A lot more to come.
This is
Shout out
just
to
the
the marketing
beginning. This
team.
is just the
Whoa.
beginning. Thank you. I appreciate it.
So 1 minute.
Yes.
You come in here, no matter how big the group is. If somebody comes that makes a big table, can you imagine 2 of these? Imagine double.
upstairs.
Right.
Imagine 4 of these.
Right. So it's not for simchas, only for regular dining.
You say you can't make a whole bar mitzvah over here.
Right, exactly. So
and then have
once
bar
you
mitzvah
come, you
bar
have to come in
spinning.
as a regular table, and the largest table you have in the dining room fits 6 people. So up to
6 people?
Absolutely, yes.
Shisha Mispalim.
Yeah.
Up to Shisha Mispalim. You got
Dine on the house. That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's
Oh, yeah.
crazy stuff
dinner
coming there.
on us.
So we're introducing something crazy out here, right?
Well, I just want to
Nice.
say the reason we won actually was because I said Parsaman today. Matri also said
Yeah, I
it.
did.
We did it, so that's why right away we got results. So that's
There you
why.
go. Yes.
Nice.
Lucky. What an amazing throw.
Super cool.
Nice.
This was an amazing event. This was an amazing night out. Mandy Amatcha.
Chaim, thank you for having us.
Thank you,
for
Chaim.
inviting us.
Thank you very much.
Maybe yes.
Maybe
no.
no. But like I said, as long as it's not maybe you, maybe me. That's it.
All right, Mandy Amatcha. So now you want to know why I brought you out over here. Haha, Baruch Hashem. Gevre, 1385 Coney Island Avenue, Yakar Steakhouse. Beautiful ambience, beautiful place, beautiful space. Come with your wife, come with your family, come with your group, come with your team. And you might be the lucky one to get the whole night on the house. Dine for free here at Yakar Steakhouse. Wow.